How much to the my heights? One morning, the top of the see you. Trouble, Thomas under the coach's side. Are you sure time? Why do you shoot Thomas inside? Oh, yeah, you. Thomas. What tonight? Gordon, what happened? What did you? Thomas, what are you shoot time? We shoot go boy there, Gordon. We're gonna get a quack and run to the destination. That's the man with Thomas and it's all rolling. I signal Drake, bro Thomas, and see your grandson, so we called it. Thomas, and your kettlebell was Kick away, rock, Thomas. Are you sure time in the wall? Are you sure you today, Thomas? Always what you to do? So Thomas always shoot any kettlebells. I very wish trouble. Why did you use one wrong? Talk figure, Thomas already watch out. I'll be careful. Are you sure talking to? Are you sure what you will? Are you sure? I'll call us what ready to do. Why try right? Oh no! Thomas, are you sure whether to head right already too? Thomas, are you sure whether the time? I don't know to try right. Don't worry, Thomas. Are you sure whether to head right? Thomas, and it's all well.